Guys, I just tried to record, my Wi-Fi randomly turned off, but that was weird, but, you know, we're just gonna try again. So it looks like it's lunch in the game now. And get a good old pizza. No, I always eat it! Robloxian, and some chocolate ice cream, yeah. Dance till you're dead. Dance, dance till you're dead, 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 yeah. I'm trying to not sing along, but someone's playing music right here. And I'm trying not to sing along, guys, but no. Tomboys? Sure. I'm not a tomboy. Someone has a knife. A huge, like, sword thing. Oh, yeah. I'll just sing one line. I'm weak. I'm just gonna speak one line. I'm weak, and what's wrong with that? Trying to sing one. Sorry, guys. But you know, what is the next class? Let's look. It's science. Let's just get ready and go there. Yeek! What's the class after science? Track. Ew. How about the last class is every day I skip? I'm just saying that because I don't want to go to that class. Okay. Today we have to do all of the different potions. I'm already here. I'm first here. Okay, we gotta get yellow and red. I called this station. Put that in. Press it. Wait, what is happening? Oops, that was not a good idea. Well, now I have to do the blue and green. Like, okay. Let's see what this one does. Just those green cubes everywhere. This doesn't really do anything interesting, but you know, it got the room messy. That's gross. Red and green. I've done this potion. This one's really cool. So let's press the button. Yay! Confetti rainbows. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna do the last one. I don't know this one actually, which is kind of weird because I know all the potions here. Do you guys know this one? Because I really do not know it, and I'm not kidding. I actually do not. I do, guys. Don't be weird. Don't make fun of me if I'm not playing this potion because I do. I really don't know what it's gonna do because I've never done this potion before, and I actually don't know what it does. So let's try it. Oh no, this is not good at all. There's so many people in the server skipping class. Okay, I did all the potions, and now I'm told to get out of here and go to the library and do stuff. Well, you know, I could be playing Roblox on the computer like all the other kids. I kind of just want to research stuff. I wanted to research. My friend Sakura is having problems with being attacked by demons. And yeah. So I'm gonna try to fix this. Hey, maybe after school I can do it. Wait, what's the thing we're going to? It's the nightclub again? Yay! Nightclub. Well, today, since it's the nightclub day, we don't really have to do anything special. Let's research it. Wow, that's really difficult. But, I'm gonna skip this class. I'm gonna not be the athletic nerd, and I'm gonna go and... this guy looks like one person that was on another server I was in. By another server, I kinda mean the other one I was on. In that other video that kinda got deleted. Yeah, I had a video that got deleted. And don't worry, it was not like copyright or anything. It was deleted because I lost connection to the internet and I did not want to read. And then I don't know where it paused, but yeah, that's what happened. Okay. So I think I need red demon color, obviously, and blue. This is what she told me. So you need demon colors. Demon colors and her favorite, and the person's favorite color. Now I need to make sure, what should I do for me? I mean, I'm having problems with everybody, let's look it up. If you're having problems with angels, do yellow. If you're having problems with demons, do red. If you're having problems with any source of gas or nature, do green. And if you're having any trouble with sources of water, do blue. I'm having trouble with gases. Or gases. So green and blue. Let's fix this. Press the button. Oh no! I'm making a mess. Run! I don't want to get covered in that gas. Disgusting. I should probably get ready for the nightclub. What are we gonna wear? You guys have not seen the magenta cat ears. Where are the magenta kitty? Wait, are they fuchsia? No. Kitty. Fuchsia. I thought they were magenta, but they're fuchsia. Okay. Fuchsia kitty ears. There we go. I'm going for a purple theme today, so the last time the dress I went for was this one. This time I think I either want to go for this. I think I want to go, no, not for that one. Maybe this one. Maybe I'll just search up purple. See what comes up. It's purple dresses and stuff. This one's nice. But I like this one the most. Pretty. We're wearing this. Yay! Ready for the nightclub. Everyone's got to get ready for the nightclub. Come on. Everyone get ready. If you dude, get on your suit. Ugh. Hey man. This man was not making any sense. Oh hey, look. It's that bub on my shoulder. That bub. The bub that can go on your shoulder because we don't want to steal Sir Meowsalot because that would be mean because because Sir Meowsalot is Dennis's cat, but my cat is not Sir Meowsalot. Should we be a car stealer? Oh, that didn't work. That's kind of sad. No, it's not sad whatsoever. See it. It's okay if it's playing copyright. These you guys won't even hear it. Do you guys hear it? Yeah, you guys will not hear it. So there's just some kind of really boring music on. Do 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 do. Yeah, look at this dance. Okay, no, what the heck? Well, now what is it gonna be? YMCA. Oh. Not many people were here yet, but I got here first, so that. Oh, everyone's coming in now. No, people, get in here. Get in this room. Get to the dance floor, everybody. Dance. Oh, kick. Yeah. Cheerleader. Why do all the girls think they have to be cheerleaders? They're weird. Uh-oh. Hopefully you guys are not hearing this, but there's some severely annoying. Yeah. We're dancing. We're dance YouTubers. Well, guys, we better get going now. This is a goodbye note. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and have a great day slash night. I don't know. Bye.